guys, thanks for visiting my channel. Let's see the multiplication tricks for 11. Since this is a 2-digit number, the answer will have 3 digits. The first digit of this number will be the first digit of 23, which is 2. And the last digit will be the last number of 23, which is 3. The middle number will be the sum of these two numbers, which is 5. So the answer is 253. The first digit will be the first digit of this number, which is 2. The last digit will be the last digit of this number, which is 4. The second digit will be the sum of 2 and 3, which is 5. The third digit will be the sum of 3 and 4, which is 7. Consider a 4-digit number, so the answer will be a 5-digit number. 2 plus 3 goes here, 3 plus 4 goes here, 4 plus 5 goes here. So here's your answer. Isn't this easy? Now consider this example.
84 times 1.
The first digit will be 8, and the last digit will be 4. What will the middle digit be? It's 8 plus 4, which is 12. So what do? We write the 2 here, then put a plus 1 on top of the 8. So the answer becomes 9, 2, 4. Now let's try 65 times 11. But what's 6 plus 5? 11. So we put the 1 here, put a plus 1 on top of the 6, and then make this a 715. Now try by yourself.